The 23 defendants we have charged in this indictment represent each stage of the movement, manufacturing, and sale of deadly fentanyl from start to finish. As alleged in the indictment, two of the defendants, Ivan Archivaldo Guzman Salazar and Jesus Alfredo Guzman Salazar, are leaders in the cartel, alongside Ovidio Guzman Lopez, a defendant who we charged in a separate indictment, also unsealed today, for his role in manufacturing and trafficking activities for the cartel. The indictments describe in detail how the Sinaloa Cartel operates without respect for human rights, for human life, or the rule of law. For example, two of the defendants tested the potency of the cartel's fentanyl on individuals who were tied down. In another instance, those defendants experimented on a woman they had been ordered to shoot. Instead, they injected her repeatedly with fentanyl until she overdosed and died. And after an addict died testing a batch of the cartel's fentanyl, one of the defendants sent the batch to the United States anyway. As described in the indictment, the Chapitos security forces attack law enforcement, intimidate civilians, destroy unsupportive businesses, and capture contested territory. They often torture and kill their victims. They have fed some of their victims, dead and alive, to tigers belonging to the Chapitos. In another example, we alleged that 4 defendants were responsible for capturing, torturing, and killing Mexican law enforcement officers. One of the officers was tortured for 2 hours before he was shot by Ivan Archivaldo Guzman Salazar. U.S. Attorney Williams, Acting U.S. Attorney Pascual, and U.S. Attorney Grossman will explain in further detail other court filings unsealed today in the Southern District of New York and the Northern District of Illinois related to the Sinaloa Cartel. A separate indictment charging one of the leaders of the cartel's security forces is also being unsealed in the District of Columbia.